it's James from Inkfluence AI, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cookbook with AI. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in what cookbook we want to create. Now I'm feeling in the mood for some fajitas, one of my favorites. So we're going to do a cookbook about fajitas with different recipes. We're then going to do create my book, and Inkfluence AI is going to piece together, as you can see, fajitas for every night. Now, creating cookbooks through Inkfluence AI is incredibly straightforward, really easy, and you get some amazing recipes for you to try out yourself, or if you then wanted to sell the book on Etsy, Gumroad and Amazon, then you can inspire others to cook as well. So as you can see, we're just on the first chapter and it's already completed our book within a minute, which is absolutely amazing. So we've got 8 chapters, over 8,000 words and 33 pages. So we can get our book straight away, but I want to edit first just to have a little look. So if we go over to chapters, you can see all the different fajita recipes that it's put together for us. And as you can see, the recipe guides and the recipe structure is consistent throughout the whole book, which is brilliant. So as it's recognized you're asking for a cookbook, it's giving you the prep time, cook time, the total time that it will take to create this dish, how many people this recipe here and ingredients will serve, and the difficulty as well. If we scroll down, it then gives us clear instructions, chef notes, and then also a very quick version if we're in a hurry and we just want to create these mushroom and poblano fajitas. And that's as easy as it is. Just like that, within a minute, you can create a cookbook through Inkfluence AI. If you then wanted to edit it further, you can update the cover. So again, as always, you can upload an image, or you can choose from over 400 stock images. Or if you want something different, then you can create an AI cover through Inkfluence. So for that, we're going to go for illustrated. Actually, we'll go for bold for this. We'll do fajita cookbook, generate cover, and Inkfluence AI will start to create the cover. Now, as you can see below, there are different options in terms of the title. So we can include the author's name, we can draw the title into the artwork, and show app typography overlays. There's loads of different options that you can do. You can also look at how it will look when you print it, when you print the book, and you can adjust different things here as well. As you can see, the fajitas for every night is getting larger or smaller. It's completely up to you. But if we go back to our AI cover generator, we want to see what Inkfluence AI creates for us. And then we can add it on, and we've got a full cookbook for fajitas. And like I said, you can use it yourself, or you can sell it online. Here we go. That looks absolutely amazing. My mouth is watering from looking at those fajitas. So as you can see, we've got a clear AI generated cover for fajitas for every night. If we then click save cover, that is saved onto our book. And then we've got 8 chapters of fajitas here as well. Final thing I'll show you before we end this video is if you go to chapters and you click add and then generate with AI, you can add in another chapter, so another recipe for fajitas. So we could do a follow-up after the lemon pepper salmon fajitas, which also sound pretty good. And Inkfluence AI, as you can see, has put together some citrus herb cobbed fajitas. And again, it's got the same recipe structure throughout. so everything is consistent across the book. Once this is done, you can then add it to the book, and if you go to chapters, you can move around the recipes to suit your style and your vision for the book. Once done, you can then export, and you can choose what format you want to export this in. And then you can enjoy the fajita book yourself, or you can sell it online. Thank you very much. I think now I'm going to go and cook one of these recipes from this book.